Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where you cannot communicate with the primary DNS server on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution, and there is only one resolution to it. Do not go with other resolutions, just one of these. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the wireless network connection and then select properties. Then double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server address. Now the preferred one should be 8.8.8.8 and this one should be 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK and then click on OK. That's it. Now I'll tell you what happened. You are using Google's DNS server address now, which means that you will not face the issue with DNS. This is the solution because the main problem was unable to communicate with the primary DNS server. That has been solved. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.